building construction here at Cebu and Simon Bahol is kind of like American construction. I don't know if there's some American, see that T-105 siding there? It's similar to what we have in America, the T-105, lap and gap. And I've seen some of that structure here. The Americans came to the Philippines and helped rebuild the Philippines after the war. So there's a lot of some old American influence here. Now here's a Gasano Grand Mall, and that'll tell me what city I'm in. We just came in just now. Here's where I've got to try to find a place to stay, I think. It may be the next town. D-U-M-A-N-J-U-G, Dumanjug. I'm going to go further on. But while I'm here, I'm going to get down and videotape some of this area. This is pretty. See how clean the streets are here? They got their public market off to the right side here. All your fresh vegetables, fish, just anything that you could want. Because again, you're not going to probably find the supermarkets. There's a foreigner. A mermaid. This is on the town square, and this is the back end of Gasano Mall. There's our foreigner and his lovely wife. Dumanjug. I think Dumanjug is how they pronounce it. Well, I'm going to head on over to Moalboal. Looks like it had more streets. More than likely going to have more hotels too. To the municipality of Ronda. So you guys grab your Google Maps and look for Ronda. That's where we are. Okay, welcome to Ronda. We're at a major turn in the road here. We're coming from the due north to here, almost due north. And then we're going to be heading, looks like easterly again. And we're getting real close to Moalboal. There's a McDonald's up here somewhere close. But this is a little town called Ronda. This is, and then I guess this goes down to the back of the town. I'm going to take you on a motorcycle ride down there. And we got the ocean out here, if you can see, between the buildings here. So we're right here in Moalboal. The area, Moalboal is for divers. It's a real popular dive resort. There's all they've got a market set up here. The church is in the background on the other side. As you know, when you come into these little areas, they're going to have the churches and the market and the area, the plaza. All that is all together. Usually on each side of each other. Nobody's wearing helmets here, so I'm not either. It's too much of a hassle. Keep putting it on and off. But I'm gonna get you on the ride here and take you down a couple of these streets, and I'm gonna get over to Moalboal. Okay, I'm coming down the road here. I'm behind the park. The plaza is back over on this side, and they've got their flags up, so they may be having a fiesta. It's a fiesta, huh? When? The fiesta? Now? Okay. Yeah, every town, you see the sign up there, every time they've got a fiesta up here. They usually put the banners across the road. A lot of times Smart Telephone will do the banners. They got the municipality over here. They got the city hall, municipal building, be your construction and stuff. Police departments and the courts over here. Or city records. I'm not sure what this building is. And then you can see over here is the island of Negros, and then you can see the clouds. I'm going to zoom in on those clouds. Hello. Hi. You see the clouds. They're down just over the tops of the mountains there. Oh. Okay, I'm driving out on this little island that looks like a man-made island out here. I'm gonna go out here as far as I can. This little man-made island. I had some kind of a guy back there try to tell me to give him money or take me to well, I'm not sure what he was saying. I don't think he was 100%. But look at this water. Okay, looks like a big sports arena over there. This wind is giving me a really tough time, guys. It's really windy out here. We've got white caps. But look at this water. You see the boat out there. He's in the turquoise, and then you can see what looks like probably some coral in here. And Moalboal is going to be around this area way out here. And we still got to travel around here to get around to it. And then there's going to be supposed to be some white beaches in through here somewhere. And they built this little building out here. I guess it's just kind of a little recreation area, but out on the end I see some pilings and what we call them bollards, where the ships will tie up. So maybe this is where they get support deliveries from boats from time to time. And if you're looking at the water out here, you can see the blue water line, and it goes all the way out to the end of this little island here. Playing, or if they're fishing. We've got a boat out here, but they don't look like they're associated with them. We try to block some of this wind noise. The wind is killing me. So yeah, they're just having a good time. They're just having a good time. There's about 8 or 10 boys down there. Yeah, I'm out here at the end now, and then just look at the ramp there. They've got a bollard set up, one on here and one on the other side. And they'll tie their bow lines or stern lines on there and secure the boat to this ramp, and they'll offload, so they can bring railroads in here. Wow, this is beautiful. The wind is killing me, guys. I hope it's going to come out all right. I'm backing the motorcycle up now. What a beautiful country. came into a little town called Ronda. I was told about this place. They're having a big fiesta, and this is the first. I've been to do a lot of fiestas, and I brought you guys a lot of fiestas in my, in the last year, a little more. But this one is a little unique. I haven't seen one like this. You Filipinos, you will appreciate this particular fiesta. Everybody's selling candles here, and they put these candles over these pots to burn them. I guess they're melting the wax down, and it's for some kind of a ceremony. But some of them stop, and then they pause. They put the candles on there. They put the whole candles on their lamb over on sideways, and just burn them up. It's not like a traditional candle sitting on a stove somewhere. This is kind of touching. Some of them stop and pause and pray. I'm not sure what of course it's Catholic related, but I'm not particularly sure what it is. But it's an annual fiesta that they do here. And here in Ronda, I'm about 15 kilometers from down from where I'm staying. And so people from all over the provinces are coming here, and this is the last night. Now I've been told that there's disco here, and it's going to bring people here from miles around. So I'm going to come back with my other camera. I just whipped out my phone here. I'm going to come back this evening and see what it looks like. I came inside of the church here, and they've got a line starting from here and working their way all the way up to here. Not quite sure what they're doing, but either donations or I don't know. They reach through that. There's somebody behind that curtain up there. They give them something or blessings or something for the fiesta. The line's moving pretty good. This is inside. This is, of course, your Catholic tradition. Hello. It's your Catholic tradition in here. And it's a really old church. Place is full, and this is on a Wednesday. And then tonight's going to be the big night. Okay, get back in there. Y'all are on video.
Oh! Happy Fiesta!
Happy Fiesta! Are y'all gonna be at the disco?
No.
Oh. Okay, y'all are gonna go on My Philippine Journey on my YouTube channel.
What's your name in your channel?
Bye. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Bye bye.